78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Let that sink in. You're working harder than ever, but your bank account looks like a ghost town. What if I told you there's a way to earn extra cash without quitting your job, sacrificing sleep, or selling your soul? Buckle up. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover 3 online side hustles designed for busy people like you, hustles that fit into your lunch breaks, your evenings, even your Netflix time. And the best part, you can start today. Let's dive in. Time is your most valuable asset, and right now, it's being stolen by a 9-to-5 that barely pays the bills. The fear of never retiring, the stress of debt, it's suffocating. But here's the truth. You don't need more time, you need smarter opportunities. Opportunities that work while you sleep, while you commute, even while you binge watch your favorite show. Yes, even during that episode of Stranger Things. Think this is a joke. By the end of this video, you'll be laughing all the way to the bank. Let's break down hustle number 1, the easiest way to monetize skills you already have. Hustle number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing isn't just for graphic designers or coding geniuses. Can you write emails, edit videos, even proofread memes? Yes, that's a real job. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr let you sell those skills for $50 to $100 per hour. But here's the secret. Specialize. Become the go-to person for TikTok captions or resume templates. Sarah, a teacher from Ohio, made $12,000 last year proofreading essays in her pajamas. The catch? Demand is skyrocketing. Claim your niche now before it's saturated. But what if you don't have skills? Don't panic. Hustle number 2 requires zero experience, just an internet connection. Hustle number 2. Affiliate marketing. Imagine getting paid every time someone buys a product you recommend. That's affiliate marketing. You don't need a website, just share links on Instagram, TikTok, or even a free blog. How? Join programs like Amazon Associates or ShareSale. Promote products you actually use. Pro tip: if you're raving about that life-changing coffee maker, you better be getting a cut. Markets are shifting fast. Start today, and by next month, you could be earning passive income. But hustle number 3. It's the ultimate set it and forget it strategy. Hustle number 3. Print on demand. Here's the dream. You design a quirky t-shirt slogan, upload it, and let companies like Teespring handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You just collect the profits. James, a college student, made $27,000 last year selling shirts that say, "I survived my existential crisis." Apparently, millennials relate, but there's a dark side to these hustles. These hustles work if you avoid one trap: overcomplicating things. Start small, test ideas, scale what works. You've got the blueprint. Now, take action. Imagine waking up to $500 in your account from work you did weeks ago. That's the power of online hustles. Ready to go deeper? Tap the end screen now for my video, How to Earn Money Online Even If You're Broke and Clueless. I'll reveal my secret 7-step system, but hurry, algorithms bury videos like this. Watch it before it's gone. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. See you in the next video.